Meta was nice enough to send these out. They are the Ray-Ban Meta. We are going to do an unboxing and give you guys my honest first impressions as well as see how they look on me. Okay, and of course, let's begin at the beginning. We have this fancy thing, and now that we did that, let's go on, and I'll be honest, this is a whole unboxing experience right here. Okay, did you see it just dropped down the way, just the way, the experience. And I'm assuming these are the glasses themselves, or rather, this is the thing that holds the glasses. So let's go ahead and fold this back up, put it off to the side, and open these up for the first time.